XPENG's vision is always want to be the explorer of future mobility. Our belief is clear and simple. Technology and intelligence will be the ultimate driving force, transforming mobility.
It looks like a brand that's got a lot of opportunities ahead of it, with cars of such good elegance and design, good tech. It looks like there's a great pathway to success ahead of it.
Bienvenue au Mondial de l'Auto à Paris. Welcome XPENG, a brand that I personally really like. I mean, I like the products and the brand as well. I think it's very interesting.
There's a lot of future in the cars, there are a lot of assistance, and it's great that these cars are on the market now in Europe.
And I think it's a global brand that can be a good win or good brand for the European market.
P7 Plus is a car that will be launched in China soon, and here in Paris we have the car as a teaser. Will it come to Europe? Will it not come to Europe? So we are teasing the attention of the public.
I think we love the idea of a smartphone on wheels, as often Chinese products are described. And we all love our smartphones, we love our cars, so putting the two together, it works for me.
This is a product that is already ready to conquer Europe. I think that it could fight against the big car manufacturers.
The next step will come. We will be in Europe. We are committed to Europe because we think that we can benefit with our technology to the European audience.